Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Delivery days are always special and today is yet another special day because I'm on the way to collect my Suzuki Jimny manual transmission in the top spec Alpha trim. Even if it was an extremely busy day, I'm just heading to the showroom. Completely packed day, but it is going to be a very exciting day because it's going to be ending with the keys of the Jimny in my hand. So I'm really looking forward. Another quick fact as well as a confession. I haven't test driven the Jimny, never. In fact, I've not even sat inside a Jimny. So this delivery day makes it extremely special because this is the first time I'm going to experience a Jimny in my life. Of course, I've seen one, I've seen many on the roads, but never have I ever stepped inside, sat inside the Jimny. So it's been a complete blind buy. Hence, I'm genuinely looking forward to experience the Jimny, particularly three things. One is the ride quality. I've really heard and read a lot of good things about the Jimny's ride quality. Second, can't wait to experience the manual, the long gear stick. That is, I'm particularly eagerly waiting to do a gear change in that. And lastly, off-road. I want to see how it is off-road. A lightweight, simple body on frame, mechanical, analog car. So genuinely looking forward to that. So let's just concentrate on getting to the showroom and I will see you guys shortly. Alright, so this is it guys. We are in the Nexa showroom. Nexa, which is the Excel Auto Vista in Thane. These guys have been overall very receptive versus the other Nexa guys. We'll get to that later. But this is it. This is the Jimny. It's getting prepped for delivery. It is the Alpha manual. Being a manual gearbox conservationist, it had to be a manual. As I said, I haven't experienced a Jimny in my life, never have I test driven, so never have I sat inside. So this is something which is going to be extra special, a complete blind buy. Look at it. There was no white color available, and there were some, cars available in the Nexa blue as well as, sorry for that, there's some disturbance out there. I wanted white. And one of the reasons to want white was that the roof is white as well. And it makes the car look slightly larger than what it is, so dimensionally. And there were chances that there were rumors going on that Jimny may be discontinued. And I was really eager, and the stocks were coming in from the May manufactured from the factory. Thankfully, my car is October manufactured. I had booked it on 12th October. The car landed on the last week of October. So it's an absolute fresh car. So we'll have a quick walk around. The tires are also very fresh. Probably around the, let me just check. Yeah, it is the 33rd week of 2024. So as fresh as it gets. These are Duelers. We will talk about tires later on. I wish to keep my Jimny stock. This is something which is a rare sight these days. We see so many Jimnys which are modified. Eventually I will definitely throw in some tasteful modifications, but I want to experience the Jimny stock as much as I can to explore the capabilities of a stock Jimny. So the suspension, the tires, these are again developed for the Jimny by Bridgestone. So there have been two tire suppliers. One is Dunlop. They supply the Grand Trek. This is the Bridgestone Dueler. The overall cost reduction is visible. At the same time, this is the raw factor what the Jimny portrays, and it's all about. So this is the first time I've sat myself inside my Jimny. In fact, any Jimny. I'd instructed them to keep all the paperwork as well as the instructions, anything and everything which came in from the factory, all the wrappers intact. There's some transfer case related information here which is still here. Plastics need to go. Yeah. Oh, overall fantastic feeling. Oh, the clutch is pretty light. Okay. Wow. So never experienced a Jimny manual gear shift action before, and this is pretty satisfying. Oh, I'm gonna have fun. So yeah, let's just get the paperwork complete and roll out of the showroom. Alright, now so it's time to get the Jimny out of the showroom. Let's crank it up. Okay. Just about 30 kilometers on the odometer. Low fuel already showing. Understandable. Let's go. Here we go, this first gear change, first to second. You're seated pretty high. Oh, this seat belt indicator, we'll get used to it. So let's find some fuel and I'll join you guys shortly. Alright, so we are back on the road. So one thing I noticed that at low speeds you can engage high gears without the engine knocking. That is something absolutely special, which nowadays in the turbo petrol cars you don't really find. Naturally aspirated 1.5 simple engine, old school manual gearbox, precise shifts will get better, I believe. Fantastic driving position. The steering wheel, it reminds me of the car which I was just driving, which was the High Rider. Part sharing, but again I'm not going to get into that. Fourth gear, nice, not bad at all. Yeah, the fuel, I have topped it with 95 octane, the Power 95 fuel. So this car is going to be having a less of running. I know it might be an overkill, but it is written that minimum 91. So if you add 95, it's not going to be harmful. So looking forward to see how the car performs in the long run. Okay, first time fifth. Is it too dark? Let me just switch on the light. Ride quality, again, it's something which is I was looking forward to it, and it is good. But I'm not really sure about the tire pressure. You know, during logistics, they really pump up the tire pressure. I don't really know whether in PDI, post PDI, pre-delivery, they have reduced the tire pressure to factory recommended. I will check on that later on. But ride quality, even if the tire pressure is high, it's still good. So it's been a fantastic experience so far with the Jimny. The very early minutes have been extremely exhilarating, enticing, and has really got the child in me out. I'm looking forward to the ownership, and I will keep you guys updated with fresh videos from the Jimny Vlog series. Until then, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.